Hi, I know this video is being late, but I just wanted to get it in, and I hope you guys can hear me okay. I'm just working my night shift, and so I just can't talk very loud, so I'm hoping that the audio on your guys' computer can go high enough in order to hear me, and that I can talk loud enough in order to get this done. I watched the video, and I thought it was really interesting that there was a planet named Hades that got kicked out of our solar system. I never learned about that ever growing up. The big thing that was a big deal when I was growing up was the fact that Pluto became a dwarf planet. That was mostly what I heard about. In regards to the planet, I do think that life is possible on other planets. I don't know. I think the sun is a huge factor in providing oxygen, but I feel like that is the way that we survive because that is what is available to us, and so that's kind of how we evolved, or that was just a need that was needed, just like water and maybe in other planets where water or the sunlight is not as accessible. That was not how they were made, and so they wouldn't need those things necessarily. I think it's crazy to think also that like any planet at any time could just leave the solar system just because it just wasn't fitting. That's kind of crazy. If I understood the information correct, that is how I interpreted it.